Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you on a tour of our room that is located within the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. It's going to be fun. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you subscribe. It's the only way to see more content. When staying at the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen, breakfast is included, so we always start off with some coffee and breakfast. Hold up, if you haven't watched our last video where we take you on a tour of the beautiful, luxurious Hotel HM Playa del Carmen, that's a must-see. Make sure you watch that video. The grounds of this hotel are spectacular. Without further ado, let's get this room tour started. We had just arrived in Playa del Carmen the day previous. We always choose a different hotel, and this time it was the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. The grounds of this hotel are stunning, and our room is spectacular. We stayed 7 nights, which had a total cost of $887.06, and that was through Hotels.com. We rented the basic room, which has an average cost of $96.36 per night, with weekends averaging at $120.72. A breakfast buffet was also included in the price, and here in the near future I will make a video of that breakfast buffet. This hotel does not have an elevator, so that's something to think about if you're not wanting to take stairs all the time. We don't mind. And now for that beautiful room tour. Hello, it's Rose from Dave and Rose Travels. So when we first got to Playa del Carmen, it was monsooning. It's been kind of raining since we got here. My battery was dead when I showed up, so I couldn't take any kind of footage. It's been kind of a hit and miss, so I'll see what I can do. We got this beautiful city, so how can it be bad, right? We got here at the end of Dia de los Muertos. We still have a few displays going on.
Later.
In our next video, we take you with us across the street to Sabrina's, a pastry, coffee, pizza shop. The place was tasty, so make sure you subscribe so that you can see that upcoming video. Make sure you're subscribed. It's the only way to see upcoming content, like some of our great restaurant videos that are coming up, our beach walk video that's coming up. We have a lot of fun up ahead.